Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic, the shocking reason why you always feel tired. You know that feeling when you wake up in the morning, and you're just exhausted, or when you've had a long day at work, and you can't wait to crawl into bed. Well, it turns out that there's a scientific explanation for this. 1. Hidden sleep deprivation. Many people assume that as long as they spend 7 to 8 hours in bed, they are getting enough sleep. However, the quality of sleep matters just as much as the quantity. Poor sleep quality can be caused by various factors, including stress and anxiety. Racing thoughts and high stress levels prevent deep, restorative sleep. Even if you sleep through the night, your brain may remain in an active state, leading to exhaustion the next day. Blue light exposure. Screens from smartphones, laptops, and TVs emit blue light, which suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Scrolling through social media or watching TV before bed can disrupt your sleep cycle. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times every day confuses your body's internal clock circadian rhythm, making it harder to feel truly rested. Sleep disorders. Conditions like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or insomnia can prevent deep sleep, even if you spend enough time in bed. Caffeine and alcohol consumption. Drinking coffee too late in the day can keep you wired at night, while alcohol may cause fragmented sleep. How to fix it? Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid screens and bright lights at least an hour before bed. Reduce caffeine intake in the afternoon and evening. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to calm your mind before sleep. If sleep issues persist, consider seeing a doctor to rule out sleep disorders. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Your body relies on essential vitamins and minerals to produce energy, and even a slight deficiency can lead to constant fatigue. Some of the most common deficiencies linked to tiredness include iron deficiency, anemia. Iron helps transport oxygen in the blood. Without enough iron, your muscles and brain don't get enough oxygen, making you feel weak and sluggish. Symptoms: fatigue, dizziness, pale skin, shortness of breath. Sources: red meat, leafy greens, lentils, beans, fortified cereals. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is crucial for energy production and immune function. A lack of sunlight exposure or poor dietary intake can lead to low vitamin D levels. Symptoms: fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, mood swings. Sources: sunlight, fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified dairy products. Vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production. Deficiency is common in vegetarians and people with digestive disorders. Symptoms: extreme tiredness, memory problems, dizziness, tingling in hands or feet. Sources: meat, eggs, dairy, fortified plant-based foods. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium plays a role in energy production, muscle function, and relaxation. Low levels can cause both mental and physical fatigue. Symptoms: muscle cramps, trouble sleeping, irritability, weakness. Sources: nuts, seeds, whole grains, spinach, bananas. How to fix it? Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Get regular sunlight exposure or take a vitamin D supplement if needed. If you suspect a deficiency, consult a doctor and consider blood tests to check your nutrient levels. By addressing both sleep quality and nutrient intake, you can significantly improve your energy levels and feel more refreshed every day. 3. Overuse of caffeine. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and certain sodas. While it provides a temporary boost in alertness and energy, excessive caffeine consumption can lead to long-term fatigue and disrupt your body's natural energy regulation. How too much caffeine causes fatigue. Disrupt sleep quality. Caffeine blocks adenosine, a brain chemical that makes you feel sleepy. However, consuming caffeine late in the day can prevent deep sleep, leading to tiredness the next day. Energy crash. While caffeine provides a temporary boost, it also leads to a sudden drop in energy once it wears off, leaving you feeling even more exhausted. Increases anxiety and stress. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system, which can trigger anxiety, restlessness, and an overactive mind, making it harder to relax and recharge. How to fix it? Limit caffeine intake to no more than 200 to 400 milligrams per day and about 1 to 2 cups of coffee. Avoid caffeine after 2 to 3 p.m. to prevent sleep disturbances. Gradually reduce caffeine, if you consume it in large amounts, to avoid withdrawal symptoms. Replace energy drinks and excessive coffee with healthier alternatives, like herbal tea, matcha, or water with lemon. 4. Chronic stress and mental fatigue. Mental exhaustion can be just as draining as physical exhaustion. When your mind is constantly racing due to stress, anxiety, or overthinking, your body responds by staying in a heightened state of alertness, which eventually leads to burnout. How stress and overthinking cause fatigue. Increases cortisol, stress hormone. Prolonged stress keeps cortisol levels high, which can lead to tiredness, poor sleep, and even weight gain. Overloads the brain. Constant decision-making, worrying, and problem-solving drain your mental energy, making even simple tasks feel exhausting. Disrupts sleep. A stressed mind struggles to relax, leading to difficulty falling or staying asleep. Poor sleep then worsens fatigue, reduces motivation and productivity. Chronic stress can make you feel unmotivated and mentally drained, leading to procrastination and further exhaustion. How to fix it? Practice mindfulness and relaxation. Meditation, deep breathing, and journaling can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Set boundaries. Avoid overloading yourself with tasks. Learn to say no when necessary. Take breaks. Short breaks throughout the day, even 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or fresh air, can help reset your energy levels. Engage in physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, which reduce stress and improve energy levels. Prioritize sleep and self-care. Getting enough rest, eating well, and spending time on enjoyable activities can help combat mental fatigue. By managing caffeine intake and reducing chronic stress, you can restore natural energy levels and feel more alert, focused, and refreshed every day. 5. Dehydration. Water is essential for nearly every function in the body, yet many people don't drink enough of it. Even mild dehydration, losing as little as 1 to 2% of body water, can significantly impact energy levels, cognitive function, and overall well-being. How dehydration causes fatigue. Reduces oxygen and nutrient delivery. Water helps transport oxygen and essential nutrients to cells. Without enough hydration, your body struggles to function efficiently, leading to sluggishness and tiredness. Thickens blood and slows circulation. Dehydration makes blood thicker, forcing the heart to work harder to pump oxygen throughout the body, which can cause feelings of exhaustion. Leads to brain fog and poor focus. The brain is about 75% water. When dehydrated, cognitive functions like memory, concentration, and problem-solving decline, making mental fatigue worse. Causes headaches and dizziness. Lack of water can lead to headaches, dizziness, and lightheadedness. How to fix it? Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses to 3 liters of water daily, or more if you're physically active. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate after sleep. Carry a reusable water bottle to ensure regular hydration. Consume water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and leafy greens. Limit dehydrating drinks like coffee, alcohol, and sodas. 6. Too much sugar and processed foods. Sugar and processed foods might give you a quick energy boost, but they create an unhealthy cycle of blood sugar spikes and crash, leading to even greater fatigue. How sugar and processed foods drain energy. Blood sugar spikes and crash. Sugary foods, sodas, sweets, white bread cause a rapid increase in blood sugar, giving a short-lived energy boost. However, this is followed by a sharp drop, leaving you feeling even more tired. Increases inflammation. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that trigger inflammation in the body, which can contribute to chronic fatigue. Depletes essential nutrients. Sugar and junk foods lack vitamins and minerals needed for energy production, such as B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. This leads to sluggishness and poor metabolism. Affects sleep quality. High sugar intake before bed can cause restless sleep and frequent awakenings, leaving you exhausted the next day. Promotes insulin resistance. Over time, consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate energy properly. How to fix it? Reduce refined sugar intake by cutting back on sweets, sodas, and processed snacks. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and quinoa for steady energy. Include protein and healthy fats in meals to balance blood sugar. Snack smartly with nuts, seeds, yogurt, and fruit instead of sugary treats. Read food labels to avoid hidden sugars in packaged foods. By staying hydrated and eating whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can maintain steady energy levels throughout the day and avoid unnecessary fatigue. 7. Toxic energy drains. Not all exhaustion comes from physical exertion. Your mental and emotional environment plays a huge role in how energized or drained you feel. Toxic energy drains, such as negative people, excessive social media, and overstimulation, can silently sap your energy, leaving you feeling mentally exhausted even if you haven't done much physically. How toxic energy drains affect you. 1. Negative people and toxic relationships. Being around complainers, critics, or drama-filled individuals can be emotionally exhausting. Their negativity can weigh you down and make you feel drained, even if you don't realize it. Emotional vampires. People who constantly need support but never give any in return can leave you feeling depleted. Unresolved conflicts can consume mental space and increase stress levels, leading to fatigue and burnout. How to fix it? Set boundaries with people who drain your energy. Limit your time with them or distance yourself if necessary. Surround yourself with uplifting, positive individuals to support and inspire you. Learn to say no when you feel overwhelmed by others' demands. 2. Excessive social media and screen time. Scrolling through social media may feel relaxing, but it actually overloads your brain with information, leading to mental fatigue. Doom scrolling, constantly consuming negative news, can increase stress and anxiety, making you feel more tired. The comparison trap. Seeing others' perfect lives can create feelings of inadequacy, which drains your emotional energy. The blue light from screens disrupts your sleep cycle, making you more exhausted the next day. How to fix it? Set time limits for social media and screen usage. Take regular breaks from your phone. Try a social media detox for a few hours daily. Unfollow negative or stressful content that doesn't add value to your life. Use night mode on devices to reduce blue light exposure, especially before bed. 3. Overstimulation and mental clutter. In today's fast-paced world, constant notifications, noise, and multitasking overload your brain, making it harder to focus and stay energized. Too many choices and decision fatigue can drain mental energy and cause exhaustion. A cluttered environment can create subconscious stress and make it harder to relax. How to fix it? Take quiet breaks throughout the day. Sit in silence, go for a walk, or practice deep breathing. Declutter your space to create a more peaceful environment. Reduce multitasking. Focus on one task at a time for better efficiency. Final thoughts. Your energy is a valuable resource, and toxic drains, whether from people, social media, or mental overstimulation, can silently sap it away. By identifying these hidden drains and taking steps to reduce them, you can reclaim your energy, improve focus, and feel more refreshed every day. Would you like personalized tips on how to manage your energy better?